Hello and welcome to my kitchen for yet another round of lazy cooking. So what are we going to make today? Papadums. Oh, don't you love papadums? Yeah. So we're going to make them in the microwave. Yeah. So now all you need is just a packet of raw papadums. I like to use this brand. This is the Taj Mahal brand. This is the tastiest one I've ever tried. There are a few other brands that I've tried. They're not as good. So I highly recommend this. This is about $1 or I think 90 cents. You can get it from Sheng Siong. Alright, so let me show you how to make the papadums. Let's go. Let's begin. So all you have to do is just open up the packet like so. And then place a papadum on the plate. Like this. So, pop it into the microwave and set it on high for about 30 to 40 seconds. How long it takes to microwave a papadum will depend on your microwave oven. In my case, mine takes about 30 seconds, but if you keep doing again and again and again, the oven gets hotter and hotter, so you can reduce the time. So it's very important to monitor the papadum as it microwaves. Now, when you have grown very confident of your papadum making abilities, you can pop 2 or 3 into the oven at one go, like this. Wow, look at that, yeah? Now you can organize a papadum party, yeah! So every 30 to 40 seconds, you can just pop 3 to 4 papadums into the microwave and you can make a lot of papadums, yeah? And pop the papadums until you go crazy, yeah! And of course, I know many of you are very skeptical, right? Can microwave papadums be nice and crispy like the real deep fried papadums? Well, the answer is yes. Hear how crispy it is. Alright, moment of truth. So good. Very, very crispy. Yeah? Isn't it amazing? I should do the Cookie Monster take. Yeah, now you can have your papadum party at home with friends, and in fact you can make this and eat with your fried rice or whatever it is that you're eating it with, yeah? So have fun popping papadums into the microwave. See you!